How to switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. So let's get started. To switch to Binance Pro, you must log into your Binance mobile app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Once you land on the Binance homepage, you can see few options in the top navigation bar, including a search option, an option to scan QR codes, and a small profile icon. Tap on that profile icon. This will open a new menu. Once a new menu opens, you will see a toggler as one of the first options. By default, the Binance Lite will be turned on. To turn it off, tap the toggler. Binance will then start reloading the application. Once the loading is complete, you will see that you have successfully switched to Binance Pro. You can tell that you successfully switched to Binance Pro by the complex dashboard. The Lite version includes just 3 simple buttons at the bottom, but now there is a whole bunch of new options. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.